Hi, a warm welcome from TechOrbit Solution. TechOrbit Solution is a 5-year-old company. We are SAP Gold Partner for S/4HANA public, private, and on-premises implementation and license selling. We have developed a product for poultry industry considering their needs and business processes. Poultry industry has 5 lines of businesses, which are first breeder, then hatchery, third one is boiler farming, fourth one is bird processing, fifth one is layer farming. Considering all business processes, we have developed a product called Poultry360. Let's look at it. Breeder farming covers processes like chick placement schedule, first one. Then we have chick procurement, then chick receipt, flock placement, daily activity, egg collection, and sexing year. Let's see one by one. First, we have chick placement schedule. Branch supervisor will generate placement schedule for flock considering capacity and density of the shed. Here we can see the farm, shed, and the required bird female and male quantity. A senior person like branch manager will approve the schedule and send it to the bird procurement process. He will approve this uh, as per his experience and the need, and he will send it to the bird procurement process. Here we can capture the status of that particular schedule, whether that is placed or not, whether that is holder. The next process is chick procurement. So here we will basically use SAP standard procurement process with approval workflow. We don't need to have some customization or a product for this purpose. So we'll use the standard SAP process to procure the bird. Once we procure the bird, we will have chick receipt process, which is again a standard thing like our Migo. Here we will use SAP standard procurement process with approval workflow, and chick receipt nothing but Amigo for us. So once we receive the material from the vendor, we will have flock placement process in breeder business line. So flock placement will be one more process in breeder business, which covers place flock. We place flock in our shed for growing purpose. We separate out mortality here and book that as a loss while receiving the bird. We generate day-wise digital flock book here for the daily activity purpose. Also, we link the standard feed schedule, vaccine schedule, and the medicine schedule and link it to that particular flock. This will help us to generate feed medicine requirement during the flock complete cycle. Once we place the flock, supervisor will go into the farms and record the daily activity of that particular flock. He has to go there and record the daily activity. Now daily activity is what he has to basically capture, record like daily mortality, how much mortality has been appeared over there, then feed consumption, then medicine consumption, and other activity like how much temperature was there, how much humidity was there, and at what time light is on and light is off. So all this activity has to be recorded on daily basis in our product, which will help us basically to post this financial activity in our system using the DI API of DI API provided by the S4HANA, and this will help us to find out the profit and loss of that particular breeder flock. So as flock become ready for laying purpose, we ship them to cage shed and start egg collecting. So again, we have this egg collection form over here. So supervisor has to record all this activity as well. So he will do what he basically record shade-wise egg collection in the farm. Whatever eggs he has collected, he will be sorted this as a hatching eggs over here, then crack eggs, leak eggs, etc. System will give subsequent effects in finance considering the standard eggs rate of that particular week. So line wise he will collect the eggs, and for next 28 weeks supervisor will collect the eggs and he will post the entry into the system. This will help us to find out the profit and loss of that particular flock while giving feed to that particular flock for 24 weeks. We will appreciate the bird value, and once we get the eggs or start getting eggs from that particular flock, we will depreciate the value of that flock, which we call that as amortization. So amortization method we have captured, or we can say we have developed into the product and give the proper effect into the S4HANA, SAP S4HANA. Again, while liquidating the flock, we will use the standard sales process activity of a SAP. This completes the process of breeder farming, and for more detail, we will have a detailed discussion and demo. So please contact TechOrbit for that. Thank you very much.